I'll tell you something. You've been there thinking, Albania, what's happening there? What can I do there? What do I have to go? Should I go there or not? I want to tell you the truth, and I want you to pay attention to what I want to tell you now. It's 3 a.m. or past 3, a few minutes past 3. I'm in the streets of Tirana looking for how incredible it is and to show you how safe it is at this time of the night. And I'm heading to where I can get some soft snacks because I'm feeling very hungry. Since I've been to this country, unlike Prague or Brussels, where I was the last 2 times, there's not a lot of restaurants that spends a lot of time. Okay, you see, I just got here, but this is where I was supposed to get something to eat, you know, but no one is here. There's a gas station here, so I'm going to see if there's anyone in there so I can get something to eat, because I'm really hungry. I'm legit hungry. I'm not even gonna lie. Since I arrived in this country, I haven't had anything in my stomach, and it's driving me crazy. It's driving me nuts. I just hope someone is here though at the gas station. I hope so, fingers crossed. No one is there. Oh. And they don't sell snacks there, unlike some other countries where you go to, and you can get snacks from the gas station. It doesn't seem like that's the case over here. Oh man. Oh, okay, I see another one. I see another one here. There, over there. I guess I can get something to eat. Have to watch out when I'm crossing the road. Oh wow, look at my face, I'm happy. Yeah. Might just have to get some sort of chocolate bar or something. Hello. Hi. Good evening. Or good morning. Is there anything I can get to like eat? I'm very hungry and everywhere seems to be closed, but I need something to like eat or so. Here. Croissant. Oh wow, this is good. I'm lucky, man. I'm lucky. No strawberry. I don't need strawberry. It's not a croissant with anything inside. Everything has something inside. I'm not sure I'm gonna like that though. I'm not a fan of having something inside my croissant. I like when I want to eat it, I just eat it raw like that. Yeah, everything has something inside. Oh man. I bet God he has no choice. I'm just gonna have to settle for this. What else are we gonna get? Apples, peach. Is it like do you guys have like Coca-Cola or something? Wait, here. Oh, okay. Coca-Cola. Albanian Coca-Cola. Let me try that out. I need water as well. Water. Natural water. Very important. When you come to Tirana, you can get something to eat. Even at 3 a.m. in the night. Or in the morning. Whichever one you want to call it. Still feels busy over there. I'm gonna have to pay for the stuffs. Good, incredible. Yeah. One croissant, one. This is the cola, yeah, and one water. Say again?
250.
In Lek?
Like 250.
250, yeah, okay. I have 500.
Okay.
I have 600. I can give you 600 if you don't mind. So you can go give me like Oh, that doesn't work, right? Does it? No, it doesn't work.
Just
500.
50 left.
I have, yeah.
And we'll give you 300.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. You saved my life this evening, yeah? All right, have a great evening. Bye. Oh, I'm happier than happy. If your name is Happy, I'm happier than you right now. Cause I just found something to eat, man. Damn it, I'm famished. Let me just get out of here. Ooh. What do I do? Oh no. So see some bros. I'm in the middle of nowhere. I love this country. See. Yeah. I'll tell you something. You've been there thinking, Albania, what's happening there? What can I do there? What do I have to go? Should I go there or not? I want to tell you the truth, and I want you to pay attention to what I want to tell you now. Go to Albania, and you're gonna get this, and this, even at 3 a.m. in the night. Can you get that in the place where you're from? Like, can you get groceries in the middle of the night? Not groceries though, but you get what I mean. I'm looking for where to sit down to eat, and I stumble on this store, and surprisingly the chairs are still there, like people are there eating this night. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go sit down there and devour my very delicious supper, breakfast, whatever you want to call it. Just open it. Is it chocolate? I really do not like my croissants with stuffs inside, but I don't mind. I thought there was no chocolate inside though, but it's there. You can see it. It's right here. You can see it? How's the chocolate? You can see that. This is my first day here, and I'm really excited to visit the mosque tomorrow and the Skanderberg Square, the iconic square of the country. I'm really excited to see that, what it looks like. Wow. It's not bad. The chocolate in it is also great. It's the juice, chocolate juice. I could have gotten two. I bought one. I could have gotten two. It's not bad. In like 4 hours, I'll be able to take breakfast. And the hotel where I'm living in, they are really nice. The staffs are really nice. The guy from the reception actually almost walked me down to this shop because I told him, like, where can I get food? He made sure that these guys are just legends. They are legends. Dogs everywhere, man. What's it with them dogs? And the owner of this shop is a legend. Bar Cafe 1 in Tirana. Come patronize if you see this video. They are good guys. Leaving the seats outside and nobody is stealing it. Not a lot of places you can actually do that. A lot of people would have taken these chairs here and put them in the sitting room or something, or in the balcony, wherever, terrace or whatever. But you can just apparently you can just leave your stuffs here and not have to fear of he got of the stuff getting stolen. Good stuff. I like it. That's some good stuff. Some Coca-Cola to top it up. One thing I noticed here already, there are a lot of dogs. Yeah, so if you don't like dogs, you have to watch out. And they come for you. They're like, I'm not that much of a dog lover. I'm kind of allergic to it. One just saw me just now, was coming straight to me. I was like, oh, don't come and bite me and all of that. But so far, it's a very, very busy city. It's really bustling out here. You can see a lot of cars, the bus riding over there. It's just so much noise. It's loud, it's busy, it's bouncing. Bay, I just love this place, man. I love this place. I mean, what's here not to love? And I'm actually thinking of going to another part of the city that's called Sarande or so. I'm not so sure what the name is. It's like 2 hours away from here. I don't know how I'm going to do that though, but I'm really looking forward to that as well. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow. Maybe I'll do that today. I don't know. And also, does it feel safe? Absolutely. A black man walking in the streets of Tirana alone at night. Great vibes. Crazy, right? Yeah, sounds crazy. It's like, oh, beautiful city of Tirana. Looking for an ATM. Oh, I think I just found one now. Yeah, lucky me. Let me see. I want to take some cash. Oh, great. It's in order. Great. Great. Take another 5,000 and see if this one is going to be cheaper. $700? Why are the charges here so expensive? No, this is crazy. It's so expensive here. What? Bank charge? Wow. Yeah, another solitary one note. Just one note like this. This is it. This is how it looks like. Banka Shkiperesi. Pese Mijeleke. I don't know what that means. I assume it's the Bank of Albania. And yeah, 5,000 lek. I guess that's what it says. If you're watching the video, I think I always get it wrong. My friends from Czech Republic told me the other day not to use this kind of banks, right? But I don't have a choice. I can't find the guys who you do currency conversion with. Those ones are just madly expensive. And here, it's just worse. In Czech Republic, they didn't even charge me up to 2 euros or 3 euros there. And my friends were not liking it. They thought I was being cheated, which was so nice of them to actually call my attention to that. But here, I'm paying 7 euros, 8 euros, almost 10. Because the conversion rate again is hyperinflated. It's just expensive. This is a city at night. Look at, it's night, yeah. It's nighttime here. But yeah, that's not gonna make me not love your country, Albania. I'm gonna love it, but I think the banks are tourist traps. Maybe you might want to consider changing it before you come. You just might get it a bit cheaper. I don't know. I'm not gonna be able to tell you anything about that, but yeah, I'm not liking it. I already used 15 euros just to get how much? 100 euros? Or it's not good. That's for sure. It's not good. Look at that. Nice. This city never sleeps, I guess. They don't sleep. I thought Prague was busy, man. it's not like busy in the real. It's not busy, right? When we want to go with the main definition of what busy is, but for nighttime, the cars keep going and coming. It never stop. My Albanian folks, tell me, how do you guys sleep at night, hearing the sound of these cars? Look, I'm under a bridge. Look at this bridge. And look at that place there, over there. That's where I was coming from. The bank is the one with the green light there. That's the yeah, that's that one there. Who parks underneath a bridge? Oh, when you travel, you see. They say travel and see. When you travel, you really see. You see different things and you're just like, wow, okay. Complaining about people parking under the bridge. There's some countries, people actually do sleep under the bridge. Yeah. Sadly. So they made this is like the footpath where you walk, the pedestrian lane. So it's kind of protected with a bar. So maybe you're walking with a kid, they can't jump into the road because there are cars coming from right here. So cars are coming from there. Your kid cannot just leave your hand and jump. You know, before they even try to escape through this bar here, you definitely must have seen them as a parent or as a grown-up who's walking with them. I think that's a nice concept, rather than just leaving it exposed and coloring it like the color is going to make any difference. You just color this thing, it's not going to make the child not fall on the... I literally fear, especially the ones where you drive bicycles. You know, the guys are driving bicycles. Your child might be driving a bicycle and a car is just walking next to your child. And I think that's quite risky as well, if you ask me. And the only thing that they try to do to tend to separate it is putting a color. And I'm like, there are people who are not good drivers. There's some people who are just very dangerous drivers that they don't really care. They just drive really rough, right? Like that folk over there who's just going so on a 40 kilometer per hour lane, driving more than almost 120 or 150, I guess. Yeah, so there are people like him in these countries where you just make a color on the road, like the color is that kind of bar that I just showed you, and yeah, they can just, you know, drunk drive, and it might just be anything, a drunk driver or anything ridiculous. Boom, fatality. What happens then? You say sorry. Sorry ain't gonna bring the child back or anything that has happened, or even an adult. Sorry ain't gonna do nothing. But yeah, they do this thing and tend to make you want to be like, oh, you should understand it. You're supposed to keep to your lane. Yeah, but yeah, I think this initiative, a lot of people might see it as old school, but it saves life. As far as I'm concerned, that works. I'm all about that. This is a shop, apparently. That's how they leave the lights on there. I don't know what they do there, but it'll be interesting to see that tomorrow. So now, tell me what you think in the comment section below. I'm happy I'm here in country number 7. Number 7 already. Wow. Number 7. And thank you so much for your support, guys. Thank you. I just love to travel. And while doing that, I just tend to want to show you what I see when I travel. And you guys are supporting me. It's amazing. It's great. I can't thank you guys enough. And if you've watched this point, please, it's just a second. It's not going to take anything away from you. Press the like button. And as you can see, Tirana is safe. Come to Tirana. It's safe. And you are going to love it. Such a beautiful place, really. For real, such a beautiful place. That's the place I'm staying over there. The hotel there. That's where I'm staying. Donaesha Hotel. Good guy, the receptionist. This one, look at it. That's the name there. It's good. I like it. I like the hotel. Anytime I come to Tirana, I definitely want to stay there again. Alright guys, see you on my next video. Make sure you go watch my other video. I don't know if I'll be uploading it first or last, but just make sure you watch it. And you're going to love it. Where I'm going to be showing you around the city when it's bright during the daytime on my second day. I'm going to go get some rest now. Hopefully I get something to eat in the morning. And again, subscribe and come to Tirana. Subscribe.